good morning. Welcome to Kathyskutekreations. Today is Wednesday, August 23rd, and I have an announcement about the Ginger Quilter Box. So she has opened up the cart on her website. So it's opened up for anyone who would like to join if you've been thinking about it. Now, last month in July, I opened up the apron box and showed it. This month, I opened up the one that shows the simple stars pattern. Now, each month you get a pattern, and the kit's going to include not only your pattern, but the complete quilting kit, the surprise gift. You'll get a treat, and all the boxes, each one of them has got everything it takes to make the project that's in the box. Anyway, so she has opened it up for the enrollment, and it is between today, the 23rd of August, and the 28th. Now, if you get enrolled and you get it today and tomorrow, you get on her website, you'll get a little extra bonus. And so the bonus is a Ghost Buddy pattern and kit. Now, if you join using my code, this is a one-of-a-kind code to get you started, and it's IC stars, the letter I, the word C, S-E-E, and then the word stars, S-T-A-R-S, all in caps. You'll get $5 off your first box. Now, I have no clue what the box is, but I'm gonna guess it's a Halloween box, only because of the month and everything. And you can get it done before Halloween, so you've got your little quilt or whatever it is, because each month it's something different. It's not just a quilt, okay? As you know that by the apron last month and then the quilt this month, but she's had other boxes with different things in it if you followed along or you ever gotten her boxes. So go on over there and register with my code, IC Stars, get your $5 off and get your bonus. Now, that is just for today and tomorrow. After today and tomorrow, you can still sign up, get $5 off, but you don't get the bonus. And remember, the bonus is a little Ghost Buddy pattern kit. I don't have a picture of it right offhand. My printer right now is acting up because when I printed out the email so I could read it to you, it's picking and choosing what it's printing, and it's also chopping off my margin. So my printer is not lined up to what Natalie's printer is. So go over there and enroll if you've been thinking about it, and if you're still thinking about it or you're just now hearing about it first time on my channel, think about it today and then enroll tomorrow by Thursday to get the little bonus. Otherwise, you've got up until the 28th to enroll, okay? And I will have a different announcement probably tomorrow, and I'll reiterate this right here in case you missed it for today, okay? Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. And I will put it down in the description below. I'll put the code and her website and everything for you, okay? Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.